What is a private student loan? Easy explain. A private student loan can sound like a normal way to help pay for college when other money is not enough. You borrow, school gets covered, and you pay it back later. That is the simple version, and it is exactly why people often underestimate it. The important part is not just that it is a student loan, it is that this loan does not come from the federal government. That one detail changes who sets the rules, how approval works, and what kind of help may or may not exist if repayment gets hard late. What a private student loan actually is. In easy terms, a private student loan is money borrowed for a school from a bank, credit union, state agency, school, or another private lender. It is different from a federal student loan, which comes through the government student aid system. That means the lender is usually making a business decision about whether to approve you. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau says the interest rates and fees on private student loans are based primarily on your credit history or credit score. That is one reason many borrowers need a cosigner, especially if they are young and do not yet have a strong credit history. How it works? The basic idea is simple. If grants, scholarships, savings, and federal aid do not fully cover your school costs, a private lender may offer a loan for the remaining gap. The money is then used for education expenses, and later you repay it with interest. But this is where the story gets more serious. Federal student aid guidance and CFPB guidance both say federal loans are usually the better option for most borrowers before turning to private loans. That is because federal loans usually have lower rates for most borrowers and more borrower protections, while private loans can have variable rates and fewer flexible repayment options. Where people get confused, a lot of people think all student loans work more or less the same way. They do not. A private student loan may look similar at the beginning because it still helps pay for school, but the rules after that can feel very different. That is where mistakes happen. Some borrowers jump to private loans too early without fully using federal loan options first. Others focus only on getting approved and do not pay enough attention to the interest type, the fees, or whether the payment could rise later if the rate is variable. What nobody explains clearly enough, the hidden issue is that private student loans often offer less protection when life goes off track. The CFPB says private student loans generally do not come with the same flexible repayment terms and full range of protections available with federal student. That matters much more than people expect once graduation is over and real bills start arriving.
This is general, not financial or legal advice, but the practical takeaway is simple. A private student loan is not automatically bad, and sometimes it is part of how someone finishes school.
The risk is assuming it works just like a federal loan when the safety net is often much smaller. The real answer. So, what is a private student loan in easy terms? It is a school loan from a private lender, not the federal government, usually based more on credit and often carrying fewer protections if repayment becomes difficult. That resolves the question from the beginning. A private student loan is not just extra college money, it is a separate kind of borrowing with its own rules, its own risks, and often a much thinner backup plan. Once you understand that, the term stops sounding confusing and starts sounding exact. It is help for school now with more responsibility on the borrower later.
If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.